Thanks for joining us for the news at 5. I'm Dawn Baker.
And I'm Mike Sela. Today is the start of week 3 of the Murdaugh murder trial. The well-known South Carolina Low-Country family is steeped in legal trouble. And today we heard at least 2 other cases connected to Alec Murdaugh mentioned in court. You may remember Murdaugh is charged with shooting and killing his wife Maggie and son Paul on their family's Colleton County property in June of 2021. Before he was charged with murder, Murdaugh was charged with fraud in an investigation that is still open. At least 99 charges have come out of work by state and federal agents.
Now, the other case, the death of 19-year-old Mallory Beach, Murdaugh's son, Paul, was charged with boating under the influence in that crash that caused the teenager's death. That happened back in 2019. Prosecutors say the wrongful death lawsuit over the crash threatened to expose numerous financial crimes committed by Alec. The Beach family attorney said the loss of Mallory demanded he go after more than Murdaugh's insurance policies and go after Alec personally for damages. Now, the state says that pressure motivated Alec to commit the murders.
The Beach family, they want accountability. They want a pound of flesh, and whatever that's going to be, it's only going to be through a jury or through a substantial settlement.
Giving you a live look now inside the courtroom where testimony in the murder trial continues right now.
With the Beach family attorney on the stand earlier today, Low Country reporter Tyler Mannion breaking down the connection between that crash in Beaufort, the financial crimes, and the murder trial that is going on right now.
It now seems this double murder trial will last longer than initially expected, as Judge Clifton Newman was telling potential jurors back 3 weeks ago that it would only take 3 weeks. But with the inclusion of financial crimes evidence, it seems that's no longer the case. Prior to the judge's decision, the attorney for Mallory Beach's family took the stand. It's been established that on June 10th, 2021, a hearing was scheduled in that boat crash case. But with Paul and Maggie Murdaugh being killed June 7th, it didn't happen. Both sides focused their questioning on the financial consequences for Alec that might have come with that hearing.
There was going to be some time after that. Is that fair?
I think it's fair to say that there wouldn't have been an explosion on June the 10th, but the fuse was lit the moment that information became available in the case.
The defense trying to say the hearing didn't represent a judgment day sort of moment for Alec's financial wrongdoings. The state disagreeing.
If the hearing takes place on June 10th, 2021, what is the net effect of what could happen at that point?
The discovery of everything he's done.
After those final arguments, we know Judge Clifton Newman ruled the financial crime evidence we've heard over the last few days is allowed in the double murder trial.
I find that the jury is entitled to consider whether the apparent desperation of Mr. Murdaugh because of his dire financial situation.
Judge Newman went on to finish that thought, clarifying that the jury has the right to hear this evidence as possible potential motive for these murders. The state saying they'll have some of the witnesses we've already heard from without the jury ready to testify with the jury present starting tomorrow. For now, though, we're reporting from Colleton County. Tyler Mannion, WTOC News.